Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at Dunked. It's a simple way of creating a portfolio website to show your artwork. So I've already signed up for my account. Let me get into my account. You obviously would have your projects in there. And then in order to get started with BlogHandy, we have to go to Pages and we have to create a new page. We could call this page Blog. And then as the next step, in the content section, click on HTML View. Then head over to BlogHandy and take the step 2 code and copy it. It's this code with the BH posts. You put this here and you just click on Save Page. So this is half the job done. As you can see here, it's empty. You have to click on HTML View to see this again. Now as the next step, we have to click on Customize. And then here we have at the top to click on this icon. It normally shows that there's something to edit in the HTML code. Let's click on it. And this might look a bit daunting, but no worries. I'll help you there in a minute. Let's go back to BlogHandy. Take the step 1 code, this code with the script. Click on copy and go back to Dunked. And then just here in line 4, so you see here, this will be very similar, HTML head, and just underneath the head, you just copy paste this code and that's it. You click on Save HTML, then you click on Close, and now we can view our site. Let us have a look. Okay, so this is obviously an empty page. I haven't uploaded any of my own work, but when I click on blog, it now loads my blog post. You can add the search bar here within BlogHandy. You can enable or disable the category section. You can change the design here of the blog posts, and you can click here, and as you can see, you can read the blog posts. One more thing to do, head into your BlogHandy account and go to settings, and then we have to paste the blog URL of our Dunked blog here. So I just copied that earlier from the address bar, I pasted here, and then here you have a few other things you can set up if you want. Just click on Save All Changes. So now under Layout and Design, you can pick from our pre-designed templates if you don't like the one I selected. Also, you can enable or disable any of the fields. If you don't want to show a featured image or you don't want to show the author name on your blog posts, you can add the search bar, and you can also write your own CSS code if you're comfortable with that, or reach out to me and I'm happy to assist you there. Thanks a lot for listening, and if you've got any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy blogging and bye bye.